Hello everyone, my name is Helen and welcome back to my channel. In the following weeks, I will film a YouTube series talking about how I built my adaptive crochet aid from scratch. And I will bring you through the process of constructing the crochet aid. I hope that this series will inspire you to create something of your own and think outside of the box. If you are interested in building a crochet aid like what I have, you can watch the video, get inspired, and think outside of the box on what materials and what resources and tools you have to build your own crochet aid. You don't have to buy exactly what I bought for my specific crochet aid. Remember to build the adaptations that fits your needs because we're all different and what is best for you may not be best for me. What may be best for you may not be best for me and vice versa. And also, adaptive crochet does exist. Maybe you don't need a crochet aid like what I have. Maybe you need adaptive crocheting because it exists and there's so many ways to do crocheting, not like the traditional way. I don't know where I'm going with that, but anyways, adaptive crochet, crochet with one hand, all of it exists, and I'm going to show you one method of how to do one-handed crochet by making a device, an aid, like the one that I have. I am going to take you through the process. You are going to see my parents drilling the holes and sanding the paper and sawing the wood down and like everything. And I can't wait for the series to happen. I hope my videos will help you create something magnificent. If you want to stay updated with this future series, click the subscribe button and also click the bell notification to get notified when I post the new crochet series. In the meantime, you can watch my 4-part series of how to crochet with one hand using my adaptive crochet device or aid. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!